I think Larry the Cable Guy does that. Vibrating. Can you leave that at home?
Nope.
Oh, that's so pretty.
I think it was in Georgia.
Could be.
Tybee Beach.
Oh, look at that!
Look, that support's broken.
Huh?
That one day I got no like top to it. Is this like the Weird Noise family? She's like, sound like